Good afternoon everyone. In today's class of discrete mathematics, I will discuss the numericals based on DNF and CNF. It is the same topic which I had discussed yesterday. DNF stands for disjunctive normal form, CNF stands for conjunctive normal form. So here is the first numerical. Obtain DNF of P implies Q and not P and Q. So for making DNF, you must have to make or means disjunction of conjunctions. So there should be or after the bracket, and inside the bracket there should be and, then it will be considered a DNF. I had already discussed the definitions and examples yesterday. So here first of all we will have to replace implies, that is conditional statement, and we know the logical equivalent of conditional operator, that is P implies Q, will be replaced as not P or Q, and second bracket will be same. Afterwards we can apply our distributive law. So afterwards not P and P will be simplified as not P by idempotent. So now we can see in bracket not P and Q, other bracket Q and not P, and after the brackets there is a sign or. So it is DNF because it is or of ends or disjunction of conjunction. So this form is DNF. In last we can write it, yes, it is DNF. Second, obtain DNF of whole bracket not P implies Q and R. Just try to solve this question. You can replace implies as we did in question number 1. P implies Q is not P or Q. Similarly here, by logical equivalent, in bracket not P or Q and R. Afterward we can apply distributive law, and then we will apply De Morgan's law. Always when there is a not on the whole bracket, De Morgan's law will be applied. Now check, is it DNF? Yes, it is or of ends, means in bracket there is and outside the bracket it is or, so it is DNF. Next question, obtain CNF. Now you have to obtain CNF, means conjunction of disjunctions, or we can say and of ors, means outside the bracket it should be and inside the bracket it should be or. So here how to simplify? P and Q or not P and Q and R. So just apply distributive law. We can see distributive law is applied here. Okay, so by distributive law it will become P or whole bracket and Q or whole bracket. Similarly again we will have to use distributive law, so it will become P or not P in bracket and P or Q and P or R and Q or not P and P or Q and Q or R by distributive law. Then we know P or not P, it is complement law, and the value of it is T or 1, so we can replace it by T. Also there is one more law over here, just check it, Q or Q, yes, Q or Q will be Q by idempotent law. Okay, you must have remembered all the laws. Afterwards T and P or Q, it will be replaced by anti-law as A dot 1 is equal to A. So here it will become as P or Q and P or R and Q or not P and Q or R. So we can see it is end of ors, means outside the bracket everywhere it is n and inside the bracket it is everywhere or. So it is CNF. In answer at the last you can write it is CNF, means end of ors, conjunctive normal form, or you can say conjunction of disjunctions. So it is the method to simplify the numericals based on DNF and CNF. Next I will discuss tomorrow's video. Okay everyone, thank you for listening me.